Dear students, welcome to today's video. In this video, you are going to learn a lesson from the book Communicate in English, Unit 2, Section 1. The name of the lesson, Those 6 Days, written by Neha Sakucha. A young student wrote these diary entries when she went on a road trip with her family. What were her experiences like? Was the trip as she expected? Read on as she takes us through the various scenes the family came across. On Monday, 22nd July 2013, what was the experience of that day that she is going to describe to us? Clouded skies and rains bring excitement and joy with them. Today, dark clouds appeared on the horizon. I felt cheerful all of a sudden because of the rain. The sweet smell of wet earth invigorated me. Invigorated me means rejuvenated or energized me much better. At last the monsoons had arrived in Delhi. And what a monsoon! The rain lasted for over an hour. Umbrellas were of no use. Suddenly there were traffic jams everywhere in Delhi. Buses and cars began to honk rudely. Children had trouble going to school and older people to office. But the first monsoon showers always bring great joy. And many children decided to play in the rain on their way to school. Tuesday, 23rd July 2013, I went for my music lesson. I sat down with the other students to sing a song to welcome the first showers of rain. Sweet, lilting music that is pleasing to the ears. The soft patter of raindrops of the window and the cool breeze added to the charm of the atmosphere. Music can be very soothing and give one solace and peace, a feeling of calmness. Solace means a feeling of calmness. And when I pick up my sitar and sing sweet melodies, I forget all my worries and feel at peace. Wednesday, 24th July 2013, my family decided to take a holiday and visit my grandparents who stay on a farm in Shimla. We wanted to enjoy the rain drizzling over the trees, which is hard to experience in the midst of all the pollution and crowds that fill Delhi today. On our way to where we crossed many villages. The grass on the hills as still pale yellowish green, tinged with brown. But the monsoon would soon change into deep green. We saw women gracefully swinging by with their pitchers, mud pots, keeping one over the other, perfectly balanced on their heads. On the way, we stopped the car. As we could resist the pleasant scenes around us, my mother took out the eats. Within minutes, we had a nice spread in front of us. We enjoyed the sandwiches and fruits and played on the lush green grass for some time. The freshness of faintly tinted buds and the beauty of the place were amazing. The next day, Thursday, 25th July 2013, we reached the farm and more delights awaited us there. Trees were laden with fruits in orchard. Fruits were heavily loaded in the orchards. My grandparents were very happy to see us. All of us got together to pick the fruits. It was heavenly to sink my teeth in the juice apples and creamy guavas fresh from the trees. We helped pack the fruits into baskets. The fruits filled the air with delightful fragrance. I decided to carry back some fresh fruits for all my friends and neighbors. The next day, Friday, 26 July 2013, in the morning, we went to a village nearby. Boys were out in the field flying kites. Kite flying is a very popular sport in India, you know. In some states, people love to fly kites on Raksha Bandhan and Independence Day. But today the children are making full use of the pleasant weather. It seems a kite flying competition is being held. One can see colorful kites in the sky and boys running around with sticks in hand to grab the kite cut by their rivals. I too tried my hand at kite flying. The kite took some time to get off the ground. The next day, Saturday, 27 July 2013, early morning we left for home. It had been a pleasant holiday, but we had to get back to school on Monday. When we reached home, we were very tired. We had a light dinner and then my mother asked us to go to bed. When I looked out of my window, the sky was lit with bright stars. My little brother was sitting near the window and looking at the sky when my mother came and stood next to him. The sight of them standing close together touched me and made me realize how contented and blissful my world is. How the world is full of joy. With this, I am winding up today's session. Thank you.